Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So we're at school and we're taking care of baby today for the whole entire day of school. And then yeah, what's her name? Hold on, let me see her paperwork. Can you see myself? Yeah. Okay, so we just got her paperwork and we're like, so we're hiding in Her name is Ivy Flores. Right? Yeah.
I want to get more in.
So right now, she's gonna go eat.
What are you doing now?
Yeah. We're getting the baby's food now. So this is what the baby got. And then this. And now we're coming into lunch. And this boring ass school. Like, I wish I went to a different school. Okay, I guess I'll sit next to Ava too. Wait, let's say hi.
Bitch, I gotta tell y'all something. I'm name dropping. So basically, hey vlog, we're back. Say hi guys, we're back. We're back. It's vlog.
Okay, so the baby's almost done with its milk. It has.
Jenny, what's in that?
It's look.
What's up? Bitch, I didn't even say shit to you. I didn't even say shit to you, bitch.
We're about to go make a TikTok.
Ew, bitch.
Oh, ew.
Bro, you make me freaky. Like, make it, bro. Make it so cold, man. Like, I really want to like, actually.
Guys, we made it inside with the baby. It's booty naked, but we made it. Hey guys, so I never ended up finishing the video. Mama got Linus, so yeah. Bye, y'all.